How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today, I want to talk about GameStop because of all the meme stocks, this one is setting up for a huge run. Do not let this go unnoticed. I know it looks horrendous, the chart. When you look at the daily chart, you're like, oh man, this thing is done, right? I don't think so, guys. I'm really liking this for a nice little play here, and it's done exactly what I wanted to do according to the past meme rallies, and now this is what I wanted to see. This pullback into this gap type of play right in here, and then on my EMA 20, which I'm going to discuss all this, right? So we got this nice pullback right into this gap here. Hurries up and fills it to a T. Algos had to do it, and then we hit the EMA 20. So and these three little bands I'm going to discuss right now. We have the purple's the EMA 5, yellow's the EMA 10, and the blue's the EMA 20. Price has to hit all these bands as for a nice correction to go up. Did it have to do it in a blink of like 3 days? Absolutely not. Your EMA 5 is your band that's going to get hit rapidly. It gets hit all the time. And so when you look at this chart, you're probably like, well, what's this upper band? What's this lower band? This is what's going to be your ATR levels. I use a Keltner, and for squeeze type setups, since I know GME was overhyped, it was going to get squeezed, but it's going to hit its head right on this band right here. It can't sustain it, guys. No matter how big the squeeze is, it has to pull back as it touches this upper band, and it has to reset and correct. Where do we usually get that correction to? Oftentimes your EMA 5 is a nice correction, and here you'll see a nice bounce, which we get $33 to a 42, but it couldn't sustain it, and so it wants to hurry up and hit your EMA 10, then your EMA 20. And the reason why all this is so important to know, and I talk about this all the time in my Discord, if you guys want to know. And I discuss this whole strategy, and if you want to know more about it, of where you could have got it down in here when I adjusted my ATRs to a normal market condition when nobody wanted GME, this is the area where you got it, and you'll be like, well, why that area? Is because I talk about time distance. And you guys you're going to want to know how to do this strategy properly to use the ATRs, which is your average true range. Where does price go down before it goes up? And where does price go up before it corrects to your version to the mean? And that is what I'm going to talk about. If you guys do want to join the premium Discord of how you can get one of the best strategies and win over 95% of your trades, and I've been doing this for over 6 years. I have living proof. I have a journal that I let people in on my trades. I'm only charging 20 cents a day or $6 a month of how you could have caught GME down here and how you could have got puts for GME way up in here and made massive money on the downside and the upside way up in here. And let me go back to where I like to buy it. The reason why I like to buy it, and I'll put that link down below in the YouTube comments below if you want to join the premium Discord. It's one of the best communities, guys. I'm telling you, we buy price when it's depressing. Nobody wanted GME when it was around $10, $11. People were like, this is just junk. It's not going to last. But look what happened. It's like, did I expect this big rally? No. So I'm going to put the link down into my YouTube comments if you want to join. I'll pin it. But the reason, what I discuss a lot in a lot of my education series is going to talk about these three bands here in the middle. And then this lower band down here, which is my ATR levels. What we want to see is how often did price not hit the EMA 10 and 20. Price will always hit your EMA 5 in a rapid moment. Usually in 5 days is pretty long. Guess what we do? We hit EMA 5 here. It goes down. We hit EMA 5 here. Hit here. Hit here. Hit here. 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 And what you're doing is for downtrends, stocks will hit their head till they have enough power to break through that EMA 5 and go to the next level, what we call EMA 10. And then the next level is your blue EMA 20. All those have to get hit. And usually at the EMA 20, price decides what does it do next. Do we go up or down? And here is what we call the coin flip. The algos decide where it wants to do, but with this situation, with the Warren Kitty, with the short interest and all that, this decides to go up rapidly. As you can see right in here, price shoots off at the upper band. It goes down. Where does it hit? really fast. EMA 5, like I said, it works its way. EMA 5 is usually going to give you a bounce. It keeps trying to penetrate it, and then we finally penetrate to EMA 10, then EMA 20. It will work all the time. And then the last buy signal I alerted way back, way down here, bottom band touch, hasn't hit EMA 10. Look what we do from here all the way to up there. Massive gains, right? And even more massive if you did an option type of play. So this is what we have here. We're going to go to the current data. Everyone wants to see the current data. I just want to show you some back testing because this works on the buy side and on the sell side. It doesn't matter what it does. This is going to be your most accurate thing. Like I said, on this meme meme stocks and then these short squeeze, these are going to hit around 8 ATR. I put the settings here because that's where it's going to hit its head rapidly. So if you're buying up here and you didn't see this system, I'm not making you at fault because you didn't know. You didn't know, like, this is where the stocks are going to sell off rapidly, and they're going to go all the way down and hit their head on the 5, take a little false bounce, and get it, can get a nice bounce here, hit the EMA 10 fast, and then the 20. Did we know it's going to do it in that kind of time frame? Absolutely not. But what I want to make sure, if you guys didn't have this, you would probably have been looking something like this, and you probably would have took the next big move down and probably bought it at $40, not expecting it to keep going down, and then you probably bought some at 20, 30, 25, and now it's at 22. But I think now, if I show you guys this, you're not trading blind. You actually see what price is doing. We are correcting. We are doing a healthy pullback. Yes, it looks outrageous to see it move down this fast, but this is going to bring in new buyers, and it's going to squeeze some freaking shorts out right here. I'm telling you, this is looking like a very, very nice opportunity. I'm freaking bullish on this. You can't get much bullish than this. Filling the gap right in here to an EMA 20 with a long lower wick, forming a bullish hammer candle to, almost to a T right here. And then, like I said, we hurry up and corrected it. Price has to go to your EMA 5, 10, and 20. Where we make our next big move is going to be on this candle. And this is going to tell us, do we go up or down? And in my opinion, we're going to go freaking up. Way up, okay? I think we're going to have a rocket right in here. So this is what I'm seeing here. I really think it's going to happen. And like I said, I showed the downtrend stocks. What we do is we hit our head on the EMA 20 and we go down and down and down. This is the most determining factor. And with this big move down we had from a high of $65 and now it's at 22, you would expect a nice solid move up, right? This is just obviously not financial advice, but this is definitely how this system works. If this is how you would trade one of these. A lot of people just started randomly buying because of what Pumper said. I was not pumping this. If you look at my videos, look right here on the date of 5/14 or 5/13, I can't remember. I made a video and I showed you my chart. We were hitting this head and we're going to sell off fast. Did I know where it's going to sell off as fast? But I knew we're going to correct a big time. At least to this EMA 5, we're going to hit pretty fast. But this is my best signal right here. Out of all the meme stocks, I love trading these big moves up to a run down at the EMA 20 to what? A bounce way up. That's what I want to see. Hope you guys really liked this video, took the analysis. And if you guys, like I said, if you guys really want to get your chart to look like this, learn how to use the average true range, learn how to use these 3 EMAs that are used so often. And then also I have this hidden indicator called the KDJ. I will teach you more and more about that in my Discord. If you guys want to join one of the best communities that is growing rapidly, I decided not to be selfish and share this system. Like I said, for over 6 months, I've been developing a system that can work for any type of trader. What works and doesn't work, right? I lost a lot of money doing options. I lost a lot of money, copying people. I lost a lot of money doing probably any strategy you can think of. This is swing trading. This is how you get the highest risk, or the lowest risk with the highest rewards, and how you know when to accurately buy and enter your positions, and how to know when to accurately sell. My favorite positions was down in here when I made a YouTube video back in April 14th or 15th, and I said right in here, expect a big squeeze, big pump right in here, just like how I called FFIE at 4 cents. GME was called right here. So it really does help to look at my YouTube videos and be like, when I say I'm freaking bullish, when I say a big pump is coming, it does help. And I show you guys my reason. I'm not just trying to be pumping and just trying to get like more views, and because it, yes, it hypes people up. I gave you guys my reason, my solid opinion, and this is where the determining factor is. Everything makes sense here. Gap filled, hammer candle, EMA 20 correction to a big move up. Can we make a new high? Absolutely. I'm not going to doubt it, because now look what the upper band did. We're way up at the $85. Look at this. Now we have more room up. And that's what you want to see. So if you guys want to join the premium Discord, this is your chance to do it. I'm going to put the link down below in the YouTube comments and in the YouTube description. It'll be pinned in the comments. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. You're going to get the best alerts from me that I think, in my honest opinion, will give you guys high success rate. I am not a greedy person, so I only charge 20 cents a day or $6 a month. So when you click that link, it go over here to the free chat. It'll take you to this free chat. And what you want to do is head on over to the subscriptions thing. This does not mean you're a subscriber. This just means you're just in the free chat, and you be looking to subscribe. If you're new to Discord, there's this subscription tab where with this drop down, hit the premium chat. When you hit the premium chat, it's going to be locked only for subscribers. But don't worry, I have an all-time low cost of $6 a month. If you're willing to dip your toes in the water and you're willing to give this a chance and willing to, say, hey, you know what? I'm not going to go to Starbucks for one time, and I'm going to put this education and this resources to learn a strategy of trend reversals and how to, efficiently trade the markets and not be calling manipulation all the time. Because yes, the market is absolutely manipulated, but you got to know how not to let the market makers take your money and how to make money for yourself. We don't care if other Discords are not profitable. This right here, worry about your own money and make massive money so you can help others. So this is what this is. When you click on it, it'll ask you to subscribe. $6 a month, 20 cents a day is how you want to look at it. And if you do it, it is cheaper on your computer than on your phone. If you do it on your computer, you avoid the iOS fee. That's $1 or $2. What are you going to get, if you might ask? Well, you're going to get my RTK swing trades. Down in this channel, you get my exact entries and exits. Like I will say, I got an average down, and I tell you my exact game plan. I am very transparent. If I'm down on a trade, I'm willing to tell you guys, and I'm telling you guys my thesis and all that. There's no perfect traders, but I'm willing to be transparent, and that's what I believe is the most important. So you get my exact entries and exits, how to accumulate reversals. I give you education videos. The most important is how to set up your indicators on this video to get your chart to look like mine. And I recently added RTK Journal. This is amazing. This is the finished piece of how to be more consistent in trading. I'm going to give you guys my exact journal. You can follow along. I recently created this. As you can see, win, 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 win. But you can see my actual trades that are open, and you can see what's actually going on, right? You want to know what my averages is. You just head on over to the journal. You can see my exact trade, my exact stock with my averages. Very easy, very transparent, because I want to make money, and I want you guys to make money, because if you guys are making money, I'm making money, and we all make money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think. I would love to know, any kind of engagement will help the YouTube video spread across and share it to more people. But yeah, I'm very excited for next week. It's May 18th, and I am really excited to see what this is going to do, and hope to see you guys in the premium Discord so we can discuss real time. The reason why you want to join the Discord, because price changes in real time, and so you want to know what's happening in real time moment. Peace out, and I'll see you guys there.